So today we're going to be looking at everything to do with Kajabi course templates, how to actually find them, how to design them, and how to implement them in every single course that you publish. But before we jump in, I want to make you an offer. I can get you an extended 30-day trial of the Kajabi platform. That's over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. You can head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and get access to your account today. And as a thank you for using my link, I'm going to automate you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. This is the program that I wish I had when I started my Kajabi journey. And that's just one of the awesome bonuses that I offer. More on those bonuses towards the end of this video. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so here we are inside a brand new Kajabi account. I'm going to look at course templates. So if you haven't created any products yet, you can simply click on all products and then it's just going to show no products. Click get started. Courses is the ones you want and then just click get started. It's going to take you through building out your course as a wizard, and you've got an evergreen or course cohort. They're the options. I have actually done a whole other series that I'm going to link to now on how to build out your course. But because we're just looking at templates, I'm just going to click over into my live Kajabi account and I've just selected Kajabi Unboxed. This is my free program that I offer to anyone signing up to Kajabi with my link. And I'm just going to show you how to install templates. So if you think about if you're building out a program, whether it be a course, you've got two things, so outline and customize. So the outline is the actual content that you're building it out, which is the copy. And then the customize is like the style. So this is the content and then the customize is the style. So build out your content how you want your students to actually experience going through. So the first one is starting with simple branding. I've uploaded a video here. Anytime you want to see how this presents, you can click the little eye icon here. And this is how my clients or my customers would see this program going forward. So it's quite a clean look. Now, let's look at customize because this is how you deploy templates within courses. So very similar to websites, very similar to landing pages, you can also have templates within courses. So if I click on install template, you can have a quick look on all of these templates. So the first few are actually hero made. So shout out to Penny in Your Pocket, Jiffy Courses Online. These first three are hero made. And then you can have a look down and see how your course would look like if I implemented any of this. So if you can actually preview the template to see how your course would look with this template here. So if you like the look of this, all you need to do is just make sure that is selected and then come down here and install template. Now, all that is going to do now is it's going to install this template within your course. So you might have to give it a moment just to install. Then once you've done that, you can click on any of these templates here. And just like your websites, just like your landing pages, you can export any of these to a zip. You can upload them into a new file or a new Kajabi account, or you can just click activate. So make sure when you go in, you can customize. Once you customize this and you're happy with the look and the feel of this, then you can actually set it to activate. So that's how to select, install a template, download a template and upload a template. But if you were just to create a new program, so if I was to create another online course like this, I spent quite a bit of time in the customization of this product with this Premier product, looking at the actual homepage, looking at each post, making sure I'm happy with the look and the feel of this. If I wanted to start a new program, again, keeping the header and the footer that I want, I probably wouldn't just go and install a new template. I would simply duplicate what I already have. So if I go into products and then click on the three little dots here where it says duplicate, I'm going to duplicate that into this site. But if I wanted to duplicate to another site, you can also do that. Hit duplicate. So that's just going to create a brand new product, but with the same template for my Kajabi Unboxed, but also the same customization and the same build. So yes, you might have to go in and tweak some of the lessons, download or delete some of the videos, upload some new videos if you wanted to produce a new program. But this is going to draw across the entire template, how you built this out. And it's just going to save you so much time if you're building a next product out rather than going and starting from a course template from scratch. So there we have it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you can identify something that you can take action on. So as a reminder, I can get you an extended 30-day trial of the Kajabi platform if you wanted to take it out for a spin. Head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. That is over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. And yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means if you continue past those 30 days free trial and you become a paying customer of Kajabi like me, part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. And when you become a paying customer of Kajabi and go past those 30 days, as a second thank you from me, I'm going to offer you a second program. It's called Kajabi Sales Page Templates. Just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you access. Within this product, you'll be able to download templates in a zip file and upload them into your Kajabi. And these are the sales page templates that I use in my business today. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out some of the awesome bonuses that I do offer on that page. Hopefully you got massive value from this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the very next one.